Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. K. Srikarchan, working as an Associate Professor and IQSC Coordinator in A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, which is located in Nashropeta, Palnadu District, Andhra Pradesh. And this is the banner of A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology. Here, it is a national highway where you can see, which is coming from, it is linked from Vijayawada to Anantapur. The entrance to the A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology. This is a 40 width road where we need to travel at least 150 to 200 meters to enter into the college. This is the main entrance of A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology. These are all the bus services which A.M.Reddy is offering for the students. The bus service covers from all the nearby places around and Nashropet. This is the parking facility provided for both staff and students. This is the entrance way to the A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology. A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, permanently affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada, and is approved by AICTE. Recently, the college has got autonomous stature as well as NAAC accreditation. This is Block B, which is an administrative block, which consists of principals, IQAC, examination cell, as well as boardroom. Now we will go to the principal cabin. Come on. This is the principal's chamber. Welcome to the principal's chamber. This is the principal, sir. His name is Dr. C.H. Mallikarjun, sir, from Mechanical Department. This is an autonomous exam, sir. This is the exam. This is the boardroom where governing body meetings and academic council meetings will take place. Let's come into the boardroom. And this is the place of the boardroom where governing body meetings and academic council meetings will generally take place. And this is the interactive panel. This is the interactive panel where we will have the meetings with an interactive sessions. This is the administrative office. Come on to the office. And the madam is the administrative officer and her name is P.B. Padmavati madam. This is the administrative office where student activities takes place here generally. That is the accountant room. This is a placement room and IQAC room also. And both placement officer and myself, IQAC coordinator, will doing my works here. This is the cabin. Now coming to the main part of the college, library. And this is the library and the seating capacity of 150 students. And this is the seating arrangement of the students. And the opposite side will be the books available for the students to access. And total we have 2140 books with the titles of 7210, with the reference books of 2000 plus, and the volumes of 17284, with the journals of 42, and with the e-journals of 911. And we have Delnet, a paid subscription, as well as NDLI with a digital computer and with a digital library with 30 plus computers. Now we will go to the digital library. This is the digital library. Any student who has a valid admission in this college can access this digital library. This is the classroom of UG of Civil Department, and the students of the Civil Department are listening their classes. And this is the second digital classroom of Mechanical Department, where the Mechanical Department students will utilize the digital access, where we are providing a projector with a digital board with an internet. And this is the UG classroom of Mechanical Department, where we will be providing 4 rows of benches, where 60 plus students can accommodate in this room. And in this room also we are providing a CC camera for the safety of the students, and a green blackboard. And this is one more classroom of UG undergraduate. Another UG classroom, same facilities of 4 row benches, and 60 plus students can accommodate in this room. The same facilities will be provided for this classroom also. Room of post graduation, where the students, nearly 18 plus students, will be sitting here and listening to classes. The total benches of 6 benches will be provided. This is the digital classroom, where any branch, any student can access this room. And in this room, we will be providing a projector as well as a digital whiteboard with an Ethernet cable for each student, with an uploading, downloading, and a CC camera is provided for the safety of the students. Classroom of EC department, where EC students of first year to fourth year can access this room whenever they require any digital classes. Where in this room we will be providing a projector and a whiteboard, where the students can able to access this room with the help of the projector. In this room we will be providing with the speakers inbuilt in this room, and we have a CC camera. One more digital classroom of CSE department. In this room also we will be providing 4 rows of benches with 60 plus students can accommodate. In this room we are providing the facilities like projector and a computer and internet access with a whiteboard, where you can access this whiteboard as a projector screen, and we will be having a digital pen where the faculty can use this board for teaching also. In this room we will be providing a CC camera which will be helpful for the students' safety. Computer laboratories. This is the computer lab 1, and the lab in charge is Mr. V.V. Charigaru, and the lab programmer is Vani Madam, and assistant admin is Narendra. And we will enter into the computer lab 1. These are all the students who is doing the laboratories in computer lab 1. This is the server room. Second computer lab. The lab in charge is Miss G. Nagendrama, and the lab program is Srihari sir. Come to the lab 2. This is Computer Lab 3 of CST department. This is Computer Lab 4 of CSC department. With the computers of more than 50 plus. This is Computer Center, open for all students, where the students can utilize all the computers of irrespective of any branch. This is Circuits and Measurements Lab for Repair Department. And this is all the equipment where the students will perform their laboratories. And this is superposition theorem equipment. And this is maximum power transfer theorem equipment. And this is reciprocity theorem equipment. This is Norton's theorem. And this is the compensation theorem equipment. And all the equipments here will be performed by the students. This is Control Systems and Power Electronics Lab of Repair Department. This is the place where all the students perform their laboratories with these equipments. This is Chemistry Lab for first BTech students. And this is the Chemistry Lab where the students perform their chemistry laboratories by usage of acids and chemicals. DC Machines Labs from Repair Department. These are all the students performing their laboratories in this lab. This is the DC panel board with DC ammeters and AC ammeters. Brake test on DC shunt motor. This DC shunt machine 5 horsepower. This equipment is DC shunt generator 3 HP. This is actuation characteristics of DC shunt generators. This is the cabin of EC department HOD. And this is the first floor of engineering college. And this is arm lab of EC department. And this is the room for arm lab where students of ECE department and EEE department will do their laboratories by using these lab equipments. This is EDC lab of ECE department, where the students of both ECE and EEE students perform their laboratories by using these laboratory equipments. And the next lab is AC lab of ECE department. And this is the lab, and these are all the equipments. Here the students of ECE and EEE department perform their laboratories by using the laboratory equipments. And these are all the cabins. These are all the cabins provided for the staff and lab technicians. And this is drawing hall 1. And this is the drawing hall 1, where the students of engineering students will do their engineering drawing and graphics in this laboratory. This is drawing hall 2. This is the second drawing hall. This is the cabin of agriculture HOD. This is an external shed, where this shed consists of civil and mechanical laboratories. So this is the starting room for the mechanical department with a laboratory name of PT, where PT stands for production technology. And this is the lab equipments, and this is the welding equipment. And in this lab, mechanical students will perform their laboratories using all these equipments. Second laboratory of MOS. MOS stands for Mechanics of Solids. In this lab, civil department students and mechanical department students will perform their laboratories. In this lab, total we have two different laboratories. One is center of materials and second one is mechanics of solids, and that is the universal testing machine. And here, with the use of all these equipments, the students will perform their laboratory tasks in this lab. In this room, total we have two partitions. One partition is of fluid mechanics and open channel hydraulics lab, we call it as FMHM lab, and another lab is of engineering workshop. First we are going to the fluid mechanics and open channel hydraulics lab. This is the lab where the students of civil, mechanical and agriculture students perform their laboratories, and the laboratory name is hydraulics, or we can call it as fluid mechanics and open channel hydraulics. Total we have here 9 equipments, where we can do approximately 11 to 12 experiments using these equipments. And now coming to the one more laboratory, that is engineering workshop, where all the students of any branch will do engineering workshop lab with the help in this room. In this room, we are having a carpenter session is there, tinsmithy will be there, and house wiring, blacksmithy, and all these experiments will be done by the engineering students of first BTech of any branch. To the next laboratory, and the next laboratories will be from civil department. And this is a place of curing where the compressive strength of a cement block or a concrete block will be identified here with the help of a curing. And next, coming to the next lab, that is surveying. Where the students of civil engineering students will perform the surveying laboratories with the help of these equipments. In this lab, total we have 9 equipments where we can do 14 experiments, and total station is also available in this laboratory. And next, coming to the next lab, that is EG lab. EG stands for Engineering Geology. In this lab, the students of civil engineering will determine or will identify the type of minerals by use of some equipments, by seeing the physical activity, or by knowing or by touching the sample. We can able to identify what kind of mineral is this. Next, coming to one more lab. In this room, total we have three laboratories equipments. That is GT. GT stands for Geotechnical, which is also known as Soil Mechanics. And second lab is CT. CT stands for Concrete Technology. And third lab is TE. TE is for Transportation Engineering Lab. So in this lab, civil engineering students will perform their laboratories with the help of these equipments. Especially this lab is well equipped with geotechnical engineering, which is related to soil and transportation engineering, and especially for concrete technology we have slump cone test, and we have compaction factor test, and we have a test for CBR, and we have hot bound air, and we have standard set of seals. Next, coming to mechanical branch laboratories. So in this lab, total we have 3 laboratories in this room with POM, M lab and MT lab. So in this room, mechanical students will perform their laboratories with the help of these equipments, and we are providing so many equipments with the benches to accommodate the students and do their experimental evaluations also here. And last lab for mechanical department, that is TE and HT. Heat transfer lab. And in this room, the mechanical students will perform their laboratories with the help of these equipments, and you can able to see this is the petrol engine, and this is the engine parts of 2-stroke and 4-stroke engine. And here all these equipments, the students will perform their laboratories with the help of these heavy equipments.
Hi, this is HOD room of S&H department. This is classroom with 60 members capacity. This is also another classroom. This is also 60 members capacity. Okay. So next, what is the second problem? This is H&S department staff room. Another classroom. This capacity also 60 members. This is another staff room. Lift also available for every floor.
This is the seminar hall where students of 550 students can accommodate in this seminar hall. And here we are providing a projector with a computer access to deliver any classes or any other programs or any other festival like events can be arranged here with a seating capacity of 500 plus. In this room we will be providing a speaker system with a ACs of total 8 air conditions is provided in this room.
This is another computer lab with a high speed internet facility. The capacity of 45 members with the latest versions. This is also a computer lab with the latest version. Internet access with capacity of 40 members. This is another computer lab 5. This is also high speed internet available with capacity of 40 members. With all latest computers.
This is the overall view of A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, where we are standing at the 4th floor of this college and we are showing the total greenery of the college and total view of this college. This is the room for ACC and anti-sexual harassment room, where the grievance of women will be discussed and finalized in this room. And this is the tree of A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, which the college is established in 2007. This tree represents the full structure of A.M.Reddy Memorial College of Engineering and Technology. And this is the college for ladies. This is the storeroom where all the storing things will be stored here, and this is the ladies' washroom. This room is for specially able students and any specially able persons can use this room. We have provided a ramp for the wheelchairs to move inside to the ramp to the room and use the washrooms which we provided here. And this is the path for accessing the washrooms. At the entrance of the washroom also, we have provided a ramp, a wooden ramp, and where the wheelchair will pass into the washroom. And in the washroom also, we have provided supports. We have provided supports to access the washroom for the disabled persons. This is rainwater harvesting pit with a length of 10 feet and with a depth of 6 feet and with a width of 10 feet. This is first aid kit room, and this is the provision for the first aid input, and all the tablets will be available here. This is the room for gym, and this is the gym equipment. This is games and sports room, where indoor games will be played here. These are all the equipments and these are the cups, and these are the medals achieved by the A.M.Reddy students, and these are all the trophies where the students of A.M.Reddy have got their prizes. And this is another room. This room is of anti-ragging cell, where any anti-ragging issues happen in this college will be discussed and resolved in this room. This is the open playground, especially for cricket students, where this is the cricket ground, which is having a pitch at its center. This is water treatment plant. In this room, the water treatment plants of capacity 5,000 liters each. Total we have two 5,000 liter capacity storage water tanks. So total 10,000 liters of water will be treated here by using RO mechanism. This is solar panels. Total we have two solar panels which generates 50 kV. From here we will generate power to all the street lights which